It's not a concept, this is the production version of Pug's big new saloon car. The front and rear borrows heavily from that shooting brake concept, ushering in a sleeker, lower coupe-ish profile. You even get frameless doors and, handily, alloy wheels designed to fill the wheel arch housings. There'll be 6 petrol and diesel engines of undisclosed capacity, 1.6 and 2.0-liter diesels, 1.6-liter petrol, probably, the littlest one pumping out 128 bhp, though the hottest one thus far tops out at 222 bhp. An exceptional driving experience is promised. At some point in its life cycle, we'd also put money on a PHEV with even more power. Peugeot new 500A gets loads of driver aids, along with night vision, not to live out your Batman delusions, but instead to better see pedestrians and other things at night, or reduced visibility. All this feeds up inside to Peugeot's latest generation iCockpit the fancy end of a large 10-in capacitive touchscreen, a 12.3-in head-up instrument panel, lots of leather and an ambience selector. Choose between boost or relax. Always boost, unless you want to relax. In which case, relax. It's got a 487-liter boot. More than a BMW 3 Series saloon, and just 7 liters shy of a 3 Series estate.